Let's learn about data tables in this video. So basically the data table is like it will convert your basic table into something like that is sortable, something like this. You can sort according to different variables. Also you can search like Aston. Also you can paginate. Yeah. So currently I have a dummy page with some data. So let's so I have the dummy page with some dummy data. So currently we cannot sort them, or we cannot perform any action that is required in case of this table. So in order to make something like this, we'll use data table. So let's start by downloading it. So go to download. So here you can choose a styling framework. So select this option if you want just this default, this kind of table. So I'm using Bootstrap 3, so this will be good for me. Okay, after that we can choose the Jquery which is required. So in my this project I've already installed Jquery, so you might not require that. So also here you can choose editor and data table. So editor is I think commercial extension which is paid. So in editor you can just edit inline, so you can edit this. So we'll be using data tables, that is okay. So if you want any extensions like autofill, buttons, fixed header, you can choose them. So currently we won't be focusing on those. So here are options how you want to you can download files. So I find this easy, so I'll just reference them on CDN. Okay, so I'm in Laravel project, so I will reference them into my layout file. So we'll keep this CSS there, and we'll cut the JS part, and we'll reference that after our all jQuery and stuff. So app.js contains jQuery as well, so we don't need to include that separately. So here we can initialize this data table. So when it loads, okay, so we'll use the data table class, and we'll call the data table method on that. And in my Bootstrap table, so here I'll call that data table. Okay, so after including data table files, we'll get a table something like this. Okay, so this is easy stuff, including data table into your project. So now you can sort them, you can just see them with paginations. Also you can search. So in this example page, you can go to the examples. From here you'll find different option like multi-column ordering, multiple tables, hidden column. So another one is state saving. Let's see. So what it does is suppose we are in this page and user reloads the page, it will resume this from fourth page. So let's try this out. State save equals to true. So by the way, I've initialized that here in students page. You can put that in layout as well. Okay, so let's apply that option, state save equals to true. And now let's refresh. Okay, suppose we are in third page, and let's refresh the page. There we go. we are in third page. Similarly, suppose we are in last page. Okay, still we are in last page. That's pretty cool. Yeah, so there are many pagination options like only showing numbers, simple number, full numbers, like this. So what I want to do is so sometime you might want to use this fixed header kind of thing, where when you scroll the header will be in fixed position. So for that we just have to supply these options. Okay, so here we got, so also we can increase this size, like this will be the vertical height, like this. Yeah, you got a lot of option with data tables. So definitely check out this example page and explore other options. Hope this video helped you to get you started with data tables. See you in next video. Bye.